Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Trello board. So guys, after creating your board, as you can see, I have mine. This is just a test work in progress board that I will delete. So there's no button to delete, but there's a button to close. So when you open your board and you see your cards, just navigate to these three dots over here on the top right, click and just press on close board. As you can see, you can find and reopen closed boards at the bottom of your boards page. Just close. All right, so now our board is closed, and as you can see now, it's not displayed anywhere. And also at the very end, you just go to your boards at the very home screen, then tap on View Closed Boards, and as you can see, this is the board that I've closed, and just press on Delete. Delete. And as you can see, everything inside will be deleted. There's no undo, delete. Bam, done. Now the board is deleted, as you can see. So this is very easy, guys. Only takes a few clicks. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.